rolling?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Oh, it's right here.
Can't go at any of these, huh?
Yeah, you have to have a card. These are key card evaders. A digital floor indicator and a TV screen indicator. I think the highest you can go is either 4 or 3.
Can you go to? We can't go to 5, can you?
I don't know if you could or not.
Oh, you can.
Oh, you can.
What? What?
Whoa!
Let's try 17. Oh, we're swapping in all. We can't go to 21 though.
No.
Oh, we can. Let's go.
Whoa, that is awesome.
And then I really gotta go
How'd
back.
that work?
I don't know.
That is strange. That's strange. How did 21 work?
What? That doesn't work anymore.
Oh.
Wait, hold on. We're going up. So you never been up all the way before?
Oh yeah. I have not been up all the way before. Well, maybe actually once before they... Wait, I think I have actually once.
Are these GL vandal resistant?
I don't know. I think we got up at 2, I think. Or, yeah, 3.
These look like GL vandal resistant a little bit. Yeah.
Wow. These are fast. Did your ears pop?
A little bit.
Mine did too. Hi. I don't understand. I thought these were key card evaders, but then somehow they just... 21 just works.
I know.
This is unique.
I know.
Wow, these are fast.
Nope, I can click door close. Alright. And that's it.